Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can add your Zoho mail details which have been received in your Zoho mail to your Mattermost account. Now, why would you need this automation? Suppose you have a channel or I should say a specific channel of your team on your Mattermost account. Now, you want to send them specific emails related to specific keywords. So what will happen when a mail related to specific keywords will come into your Zoho mail? Only those mails with those specific keywords will be shared into your Mattermost account channel, and then the work which has to be done on that project related to that specific keyword can be done by your employees or by your team members. Now it can go for a software company, it can go for a game developer company, or it can go for a company where you have different projects assigned to different team members. Okay, now what are we going to do? First, we are going to send a mail to our Zoho mail. From there, only those mails will be selected and will be sent to the Mattermost account which has specific keywords assigned to them. And how to do that, I will show you that. And to do this automation and integration, we are going to use an automation and integration service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect our Zoho mail and Mattermost together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And this is our screen. So here what we are going to do is, first we are going to go to our address bar and type in pabbly pabbly.com/connect, and then we will press enter. And as soon as you will do that, you can see you have been redirected to this page. Now here you have two options, either you can sign in or you can sign up. Now signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks from our side every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. Okay. Now I already have an account here, so I will just go for sign in and I will click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And now what I have to do is I have to create a new workflow to create a new automation. So what I will do, I will just go for create workflow, and here I will name my workflow Zoho mail to Mattermost. So Zoho mail to Mattermost is the name of my workflow. So here I have my Zoho mail opened, okay, logged in, and here I have my Mattermost account where I am going to post messages like this to my channel. So I will be doing it for the Pabbly Connect channel because I have been using this, and I have been using this to test this automation, and I will show you how it's done. Okay, so this is Mattermost, this is Zoho mail, and this is Pabbly Connect. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on create. Now here you can see we have two options, or I should say two windows. So here it is trigger and here it is action. So the trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger is when this is happening, action means do this. So what is happening here? We are receiving a mail in our Zoho mail account. So we will click on Zoho mail. From here we have new email, so we will select new email. Now what we will do, we will copy this webhook URL, and by using this webhook URL, we will be receiving the data from our Zoho mail to our Pabbly Connect account. And here the data will come through this webhook data. Okay. Now we will use this webhook URL into our Zoho mail account by using these instructions or by following these instructions. So how you are going to do this? Here it is written, log into your Zoho mail account. On the right sidebar, navigate to settings, integration, developer space, select outgoing under webhook section in the left menu, click on add new configuration, enter the custom username and copy the webhook URL and paste it. Then you can see the mail condition type. If you want to set any type, I will show you in a second how it's done, and then click save. So what we will do, we will go to Zoho Mail first. Here on the right hand side, you can see settings. Just click on settings. Now here you have to find integrations. So let's find integrations. So here is integrations. Then you have to go to developer space. So this is developer space. Now here, as it was written, you have to select outgoing webhooks. So select outgoing webhooks. Now I have two webhooks here, which I have been using few moments ago when I was testing this automation. I have this pushing mails to Mattermost post and pushing mails to Zoho to Mattermost. Now what we are going to do, I will just switch off these switch off these webhooks basically, and not switch off, I will say disable. Now what we are going to do, we are going to add a new configuration. So we will click on new configuration, custom username. Let me give it Zoho mail to Mattermost. Okay. Now this is the place where you will, copy this webhook URL and paste it here. So this is our webhook URL, which will take the data from Zoho Mail, and the data will be sent to Pabbly Connect through this webhook URL. Okay. Now, here it is written, wait a minute. Here it is written, copy the, mail condition type. The emails that satisfy these criteria will trigger events on Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now here it is written condition type. Now, if I will click on any of these conditions or all the conditions or advanced conditions, you can see the pattern is changing according to the option we have selected. So what I am going to do is I am going to click on all the conditions, or I can take any of these conditions. Both are, right for this kind of automation which I am doing. Now, here it is asking me from whom you will get the message. Put it in this field. So when that person will send you message, only the data from that person will come into your Pabbly Connect account, and only that data will be taken. If you want to put this automation on the basis of subject, then you can choose subject. On the basis of 2CC, BCC, you can select any field. Now I am choosing subject. Now it means, now let me put this word here, issue. Now it means whenever somebody will send me something related to a issue he is facing in anything, and if the subject contains issue word in his text, then the message will be forwarded, or the mail will be forwarded to my Pabbly Connect account. Now what I can do is I can add one more. So I'll just put here one more subject, contains. Now let me type in issue bug, subject problem. Okay. Now what will happen whenever somebody will have these three words in his subject line, the mail will be forwarded, or should I say the mail data will be forwarded to my Pabbly Connect account. Okay. Now I will just save it. And as you can see, I have this pushing mails to Zoho mail to Mattermost webhook enabled. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back here. And now you can see I do not have any mail here. Okay. So here it is successfully connected, and now it is waiting for the webhook response. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to send a mail to this mail account, and then we will see if the data is captured here or not. So I'm going to send mail from this account. So let me go to Gmail, compose. Okay, let me take the ID from here. Darius. And now this is the ID. Now in subject, as I told you, I am having an issue. Now look at this issue word. I have this word here, issue. So this mail will be, taken from the Zoho mail account and the data will be saved to Pabbly Connect account. Now I am having an issue. Hello, sir. I am facing an issue regarding the automation of Zoho to Mattermost. Zoho mail to Mattermost. Please resolve it as soon as possible. Now it can be any issue. I am not writing a very long mail. Now what I am going to do is I am just going to click on send. And when I will click on send, we will see here the new mail will come and it will take some time. It can take about 10 to 15 seconds or 1 minute also. So I'm going to refresh it and then we are going to wait for the mail. Okay. So let's see. It's still refreshing. And you can see I have a new mail here. I am having an issue. What happened? Let me refresh it again. Let's see what happened here. I already got a mail. Okay, unable to reach the server. Please check your network connections. And as you can see, the network is back. So this is the mail, Ashirai 824@gmail.com. I am having an issue and I am having an issue and I am having an issue. It is not opening, but it will take a few seconds to open. So you can see, hello sir, I am facing an issue regarding the automation of Zoho mail to Mattermost. Please resolve it as soon as possible. Now what will happen? Here in Pabbly Connect, you can see a webhooker response has been captured. Summary is, hello sir, I am facing an issue regarding the automation of Zoho mail to Mattermost. Please resolve it as soon as possible. This is the subject. I am having an issue. Message ID to address to which the mail was sent. The sender name, the sender's email address. And now what we are going to do is we are going to go for our action window. So we have successfully connected our Zoho mail to our Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to connect the account of Mattermost with our Pabbly Connect, and then we will see how Pabbly Connect will connect Mattermost and Zoho mail together. So I will just select here Mattermost event. So what we are going to do here, we have to make a new message, or I should say we have to send a new message, just like we are sending it to the other channels. But here the option is to send the message for as create a post. So here what you will do is you will click on create a post. So a post will be created into your Mattermost account, into the channel which you will select here. And how to do that, I will show you in a second. Now you can see I have two options here, select existing connection or add new connection. Obviously, I'm going to add a new connection so that I can tell you how to do that. So what you need is, first is token and second is Mattermost URL. So first we will talk about the token. How are you going to get this token? So what you have to do is you have to follow these instructions here. You have to go to the main menu, account settings, security, personal access tokens, and click on create new token. And you have to enter a description for the token. But before doing this, what you have to do, first you have to enable the personal access tokens from a Mattermost account. Now it is not given here. So I am going to teach you how to do that so that you won't have any problem regarding this. So this is our Mattermost account. We will go here. Then we will click on System Console. After that, we are going to search for integration. So let's see, where is integration? So this is integrations. We will go to integration management, and here you can see the option of enable personal access tokens. So this enable personal access tokens should be set at true, okay, not at false. Only then the automation will work and only then the API key will work. Now what we are going to do, we are going to go back to the system console, main page. Now we are going to follow the exact same steps which are given here. We will go to account. After going to account, we will click on settings. Wait a minute. This is not the one. This is the one. Account. Profile. After account, we are going to click on profile. After profile, we are going to click on security. And here you can see we have personal access tokens. So we have to click on personal access tokens. Now, either you can create a new token or you can use an existing one. So for you, I am going to create a new token. The token description is Zoho mail to Mattermost. Okay. Now I am going to save this. Yes, I want to create this token. And here you can see I have a new token. I will just copy this access token. And I will paste it here. Okay. Now, what you have to do, first, you have to go to your Mattermost URL, which is this one. And here, you have to copy from http to .com. Okay. And you do not need this slash. Now what you will do is you will click on save. And now as soon as you will click on save, you can see I have my Mattermost account here. Let me just close this. Yes, I have copied the token. Now you can see I have 4 channels here: off topic, Pabbly team, Pabbly Connect, and Razorpay sales. So what I can do is I can just go to, this is the main team. You do not have to change this. You cannot change this. You have to choose the channel in which you have to post the content or post the, whatever the mail was or the details were. So we will go here and I'm going to choose Pabbly Connect because I want to post in Pabbly Connect. Now here you can see the last message is from Hardik Pradhan. Gary Monroe raised a query. Pabbly Connect's filter not working with iterators. So Hardik Pradhan is our ID, obviously. And Gary Monroe raised a query here. So what we will do, we will go here. And now here we will type a message. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a technique which is called mapping. And mapping will let you copy the details from this window and it will let you map the details here without copying or pasting anything manually or without typing anything manually. So what we are going to do here, I'm going to put my name Ashi Rai, and here the message is raised. I should not say raised, sent a mail regarding an issue the mail is. Now here again I am going to use mapping and the mail is I am having an issue. Sorry, the subject is I am having an issue. The mail is I'm sorry for that. So mail is, hello sir, I am facing an issue regarding the automation of Zoho mail to Mattermost. Please resolve it as soon as possible. Okay. So this is the mail. Sender is Ashi Rai. Now what we have to do is we have to go down. We do not want to mess up with these fields right now because we do not want that. And we will click on save and send test request. Now as soon as we will do that, you can see a new ID has been created here. And we will go here. And here you can see Ashi Rai sent a mail regarding an issue. The mail is, hello sir, I am facing an issue regarding the automation of Zoho mail to Mattermost. Please resolve it as soon as possible. Okay. Now I must have used a space here because there is no space. So I'm really sorry for that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send one more mail. And now I'm going to change the subject. So to, again I have to take that ID. It's a quite long ID and a very famous name. Darius Morawi. Wick 663, I don't know, whatever it is. So the subject is now, I am having a bug. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write a new mail once more. Hello, sir. I'm having a bug in my system and I want you to please look after it as soon as possible. So I'm having a bug. Hello, sir. I'm having a bug in my system and I want you to please look after it as soon as possible. Let me just send this. And as you can see, I have sent a new email here, but it is not here. Let me refresh it. It's taking some time. And as I said, it can take 10 to 15 seconds or even 1 minute. So we are going to wait for 10-15 seconds here. And I am going to refresh it twice or thrice. So you can see I'm having a bug is our new mail. As soon as I will open it, you can see, hello sir, I'm having a bug in my system and I want you to please look after it as soon as possible. Now I will go to my main account here in my channel, Pabbly Connect, and here you can see Ashi Rai sent a mail regarding an issue. The mail is, hello sir, I am having a bug in my system and I want you to please look after it as soon as possible. Okay. So this is how you can connect your Zoho mail and your Mattermost account together so that whenever a new mail is received in Zoho mail, that will be posted to your Mattermost channel and everybody can view that really easily. Okay. And if you want to use this amazing workflow into your account, you can clone it in your account from my description box. But for that, you need to have an account on Pabbly Connect. And to do that, you have to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So remember that. And now what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.